Hey everybody, welcome back. Hopefully you all had a great Easter weekend. I know I did. But on this evening's video, I was going to bring y'all along as I do the spring maintenance on the 5075M John Deere. All I'm going to be doing, I've already greased it. Just going to be changing the oil filter, fuel filter, hydraulic filter, and just kind of checking over everything. While I'm doing that, shouldn't take me too long, but let me quit talking. Let's get this video started. Sorry y'all, thought I had the camera going. I was trying to get the drain plug out, but of course you know me, done made a mess. But this tractor holds, I think it's about 13 or so quarts, so it fills up this metal drain pan quite a bit. At your back porch or be driving down the road and seeing old mama cow trying to get up off the ground, how she'll waller back and forth. That was me trying to get out from under this tractor, and I knew y'all probably didn't want to see that. I got the oil drain plug put back in. Oil looks pretty clean. Didn't find any shavings in it. Didn't find any metal particles on the drain plug itself. And looking at the oil filter here, everything looks pretty clean. Don't see no shiny stuff. Got this filter full of oil. Got the there right there where I screw it on, got it wiped off and clean. I believe that's tight. We got that done. I'm gonna come over here and hopefully not make a mess with this thing. Now before I put this new fuel filter back on the tractor, I can go ahead and fill it full of fuel. That way, get it on there and go start the tractor. It's not pulling air, it's just hopefully pulling this fuel out of the filter. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. Now I've got the oil poured in. Just going to check the dipstick. See what it says. Right on the full mark. Refilling the fuel filter full of off-road diesel. Shouldn't have any trouble starting, but if it does, like most tractors, it's got a little primer bulb right there. But let's turn the key over, see what this old girl will do. No leaks around the fuel filter. Started right up. Believe we done a good job. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Of course I didn't have the camera on. As you can tell, the filter is not in my hand and it made a mess. Let me tell you. course, when I crawled under this thing, didn't bring no rags with me, so now I gotta waller back out, get some rags, waller back under here, get this finished up. Now that I've got the filter on tight and the tractor full of hydraulic fluid, I put almost 2.5 gallons, because that filter by itself, I guess, would hold about a 1.25 gallons, maybe just a little bit more. And then of course what I spilled in the pan after I took the filter off. But before I use lift up the yard box or the front end loader, I'm gonna go ahead and just start it and let it run, let it get that filter full of hydraulic fluid and everything pumped back through the system. That's going to be it for this evening's video. If you like the video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications in the future of new videos, just hit that subscribe button and the little bell off to the side. But other than that, I'll see you on the next one.